Hi Kutis, welcome to Grade 4 EVS. Today our topic is ear to ear. Can you all close your eyes for a while and listen carefully? Can you hear this sound? Now tell me, which sense organ used to hear this sound? Yes, ear. Our ear helps us to hear the sounds. We all know we have 5 sense organs. Our eyes help us to see, our tongue helps us to taste, our ear helps us to hear, our nose helps us to smell, and the skin helps us to feel. Like us, animals also have sense organs. On that, we are going to see about the ears of animals. Each and every animal have different ears. In this lesson, we are going to see about that only. Come, let's get into the lesson.
Good morning, Chinu. Let's go to the field. Buzz, Raja, you can also come with us.
Where are you all going?
We are going to the field.
Come, sit on my back. I will take you around the village and to other places also.
Oh, that would be nice. Look at those animals. All the animals are sitting together. I think that the animals are having a meeting. Yes, they are also listening very carefully. Listening? But how do we listen? We hear or listen with the help of our ears, Buzz. Look at Appu's ears. Elephants have very big ears. Yes, it is very big. It is just like Grandma's fan.
Your grandma's fan? How funny! I will tell you more about elephants. Elephants live in a group or a herd. The herd has only female elephants and children. The oldest female in the herd is the leader of the herd. Elephants remain in the water for hours together to keep themselves cool. Other wild animals too live in the jungle, like the lion, tiger, bear, and fox. Come, let us find out more about different animals and see how they are different from each other.
Look there. Look at the fox. The ears of the fox are so nice and small. Yes, they are just like a dog's ears. The ears of an elephant are big and that of a fox are small. That's right, Chinu. Look at that monkey. Its ears are just like our ears. So then, are you also a monkey? No, Buzz. Did you see that the ears of the fox and a dog look the same? In the same way, the ears of humans and monkeys look the same. Grandma says that humans have evolved from monkeys. Oh, now I know why Ma calls Chinu a little monkey when he is naughty. Buzz, stop it! You are naughty all the time. Oh, both of you, please stop fighting now. Look at that tree. There are so many lovely birds sitting on the tree. But Where are their ears? I cannot see any ears. How can they hear then?
Buzz, birds also have ears and they can hear too.
Look at that parrot. That one with a red beak.
It is listening so carefully, but we cannot see its ears. That means we can see the ears of only some animals and birds.
But Meenu, I cannot see the ears of any of the birds.
Yes, we cannot see the ears of any of the birds. The ears of the birds are just small holes, just like the sparrow that comes to eat grain in our house. It has 2 small holes on its head. Those are its ears. Come, let us now go to the lake.
Oh, look at that big crocodile.
Yes, it is really big. And look at its body. Eek! It looks so different.
Buzz, the crocodile's skin is very hard and rough. That's why it looks very different. Now look at that beautiful animal. It has so many horns on its head.
Chinu, that is a deer. A beautiful deer.
Look, it has spots on its back. How do these deer get spots?
They get spots because of the different color hair that they have on their backs.
Appu, I have seen a picture of a zebra. It has stripes on its body. Do they get these stripes also because of different colored hair on their body? You are right, Chinu. Even the stripes on a tiger or the spots of a leopard are because of different colored hair on their backs.
Tiger? Leopard? Where are they? I am very scared of them.
Don't worry, Buzz. I am there with you. I will protect you if a tiger or a leopard comes near you.
Buzz, did you know that the tiger is our national animal?
Tiger is our national animal. Do we have a national bird also?
Yes, Buzz. The peacock is our national bird.
I love to watch the peacock dance. It has such lovely feathers.
That's right, Buzz. Come, it is time to go back home now. Appu, will you please take us back home?
Thank you, Appu. You have shown us a lot of birds and animals and have also told us lots of new things about them. Bye-bye, Appu.
Bye-bye, all of you.
Look at our cow Lakshmi. She too has big spots on her back.
Oh, that means that the hair on her body helps form those spots. But some animals do not have patterns on their body, like the elephant, buffalo, and rat.
That means that they don't have different color hair. Raja, stop! Stop! Don't chase the hen. Oh, what a nice white egg.
Meenu, our hen always lays nice eggs. Do all animals lay eggs like our hen?
No, Buzz. Some animals lay eggs and some give birth to babies.
How will we know if an animal will lay an egg or give birth to a baby?
I know how. I will tell you. If you can see the animal's ears, then that animal gives birth to a baby. Come, Let us play a game. I will call out the name of an animal and you have to go near that animal. Then you have to look at the ears of that animal closely and tell me if it will lay an egg or give birth to a baby.
Okay, that will be fun, Meenu.
Let's start now. First, cow. Our cow Radha.
Yes, I have found out. The cow gives birth to a baby calf. It does not lay eggs.
You are right, Chinu. How did you guess that? Because you can see its ears? Very good. Okay, now the second animal, hen.
I know. A hen lays eggs.
How did you know that, Buzz?
That's because we cannot see the hen's ears.
Now a goat. Can you tell me if it lays eggs or gives birth to babies?
A goat gives birth to babies because we can see its ears.
A parrot.
I will fly up and check. A parrot lays eggs. A parrot lays eggs because we cannot see its ears.
Look, we can see people's ears. That's why people give birth to babies. Chinu, have you understood now?
Yes, Meenu. Now I know which animals lay eggs and which ones give birth to babies.
Do you know the secret to find that out?
Yes, Meenu. If we can see an animal's ears, it will give birth to babies. If we cannot see an animal's ears, then it will lay eggs.
Friends, have you also noticed the stripes or spots on the back of different animals? Why don't you also watch different animals carefully? Find out whose ears can be seen and whose ears cannot be seen. If an animal's ears can be seen, does it lay eggs or give birth to babies? Find out. It's lots of fun.
Friends, do you want to have some fun now? Buzz has put wrong ears on different animals. They are looking funny now. Will you first tell whose ears these animals have got? Then you can tell the name of the correct animal ears loudly and Buzz will fix it for you. Mouse, elephant, giraffe, zebra, rabbit, mouse, elephant,
Rabbit. Mouse. Cow. Rabbit. Giraffe. Zebra. Deer. You can see the ears of some animals, but cannot see the ears of some. Will you tell the answers loudly? Then bird will pick it up for you and put it in the correct place. Frog. Cannot see the ears. Elephant. Can see the ears. Cat. Can see the ears. Tiger. Can see the ears. And cannot see the ears. Horse. Can see the ears. Duck. Cannot see the ears. Cow. Can see the ears. Lizard. Cannot see the ears. Fish. Cannot see the ears. Pig. Can see the ears. Crow. Cannot see the ears. Dog. Can see the ears. Deer. Can see the ears. Snake. Cannot see the ears. Camel. Can see the ears. Some animals have hair on their skin and some have feathers. Will you tell which of the following animals have hair and which have feathers on their body? Butterfly will then pick it up and put it in the correct place. Hen. Has feathers. Buffalo. Has hair. Duck. Has feathers. Peacock. Has feathers. Dog. Has hair. Zebra. Has hair. Elephant. Has hair. Sparrow. Has feathers. hare. Cow. Has hair. Tiger. Has hair. Pigeon. Has feathers. Camel. Has hair. Will you help us find out which animals lay eggs and which give birth to babies? Duck. Lays eggs. Hen. Lays eggs. Pig. Gives birth to babies. Peahen. Lays eggs. Sparrow. Lays eggs. Dog. Gives birth to babies. Elephant. Gives birth to babies. Parrot. Lays eggs. Cat. Gives birth to babies. Cow. gives birth to babies. Goat, gives birth to babies. Buffalo, gives birth to babies. Pigeon, lays eggs. Camel, gives birth to babies.
I hope you all enjoy this lesson and understand the concept. Thank you, children. I'll meet you in another lesson. Bye.